Now, 16th problem. If the letters of the word garden are permuted in all possible ways and the strings thus formed are arranged in the dictionary order, then find the ranks of the word garden, then danger. Okay, we have to find out the rank of the words. When it is asked the rank of the words, we have a method and a simple method. Okay, first I will teach you the actual method, then I will teach you how to do it in a simple way. You can use that simple way and find out. Okay, now first method is, this is actual method, children. First you have to arrange the letters in alphabetical order. Garden. So alphabetical order, when you are arranging it, A comes first. After A you have D. After D you have E. Then you have G, then N, and then R. I have arranged in alphabetical order. Okay. Now you have to write the word starts with A. Words start with A. Okay. So starting with A means remaining there are 5 letters and 5 places. So they can be arranged in 5 factorial, that is 120. Next, word starting with D. You must go in alphabetical order. First A, then D. Now here also, leaving D, there are 5 letters, so 5 places. So it is 5 factorial, it is 120. Then word starting with E. That is again leaving E, remaining there are 5 letters, so 5 places, so 5 factorial, it is 120. Then next to E, it is G. Now when you are having G, your word also starts with G. So you have to write G starts. You should not take it. Now you must take G. Now you must take 2 now. 2 letters. Okay. G means next you will go into the first letter. What is your first letter? G, A. Now in your word also the first letter is G, next letter is G, A. So wherever the word comes means you must write it starts. G, A starts. Okay. So next you have to go in with 3 letters. So how will you take G, A? Next after A you have D. But the word is having R. So G, A, D. So starting with G, A, D. Okay. Words start with G, A, D. Now G, A, D means 3 letters have gone. Remaining there are 3 letters. 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 6. Okay. Now with G, A starts. Now word starting with G, A. Next to D you are having E. That is not the letter. So again 3 factorial, which is 6. Next is word starting with G, A. After E it is G. You should not repeat it. Only one G is there. Next you will go into N. So N is also not the 3rd letter in your given word garden. So it is again 3 factorial. It is 6. Next is G, A, R. That is the word. Okay. So you must write wherever the word comes, you must write starts. Now you must go into 4 letters. So word start with G, A, R. Again you will go to the first letter. A already we have taken. So you should not take it A here. But you have to take G, A, R, D. You can take D. Okay. Because only A cannot come. Children, G, A, R. This starting with. Then you will go once again with the alphabetical order. So it is G, A, R, A we cannot come because already A is there. So G, A, R, next one is D. The word also the 4th letter is D. So starts. Write it. Okay. So next one, word start with G, A, R, D. Must go to the 5th letter. G, R, D. A already we have taken. D already we have taken. Then you will go into E. Okay. This also starts because the 5th letter is E. Okay. Next. G, A, R, D, E. Only one letter is left out, which is N. This is your word. Okay. So that is 1. So one word we have formed. So it is equal to 1. So we have to add everything. This is 360. This is 18. This plus 1. So 360 plus 18 plus 1 will be equal to 379. So this is the rank of the word. Okay, garden. Now I'll teach you the short method, how to do it. Okay, how can we do the short method? For this, first you take the word garden. You can use the short method and do it, children. G-A-R-D-E-N. Now number the letters according to the alphabetical order. A is 1. Next after A, D. So it is 2. Next E. Then G. Then N. Then R. It is the 6th one. Okay. Now below this. Now this is 4. You must see after this the numbers which are less than 4. How many numbers are less than 4? 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers are less than 4. Okay. Then see this one. After this always must see to the right. Now 1 is there. Is there any number less than 1? No. So you will put it as 0. Then you have 6. What are the numbers less than 6? 2, 3 and 5. So it is 3. Next is 2. You must see only the right side, not the left side. After 2, 3, 5 only is there. So no number less than 2. 3. No number less than 3. 5. After this no number is there. So it is 0. Okay. Now below this you have to start. Now it is a 6-letter word. You must start 6-letter word means you must take it as 6 minus 1, that is 5. You take it as 5 factorial, 4 factorial, then 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial, 0 factorial. Okay. First you are writing the word, write the numbers according to the alphabetical order. A is the first letter, D will be the second letter, E will be the third letter, G will be the fourth letter, N will be the fifth letter, R will be the sixth letter. Now fourth letter is the first one. Now to the right side you must see the numbers which are less than 4. 1 is less than 4, 2 is less than 4, 3 is less than 4. So how many numbers are less than 4? 1, 2 and 3. 3 numbers. Next 1. No number will be less than 1, so it is 0. Next 6. 2, 3, 5. All the 3 are less than 6, so it is 3. 2. Don't see the left side, right side. To the right of 2 you have 3 and 5. Nothing is less than 2, 0. To the right of 3 there is no number less than 3, so 0. After 5, that is right of 5, there is no number, 0. 6-letter word means you will start with 5 factorial. 4-letter word means 3 factorial, like that. Now you should multiply this. 3 into 5 factorial. What is 5 factorial? 5 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Okay. So what is 5 factorial? 5 factorial is 120. Okay. So I have to multiply 3 into 120, so it becomes 360. 0 into anything will be 0. 3 into 3 factorial. What is 3 factorial? 3 factorial is 6. So 3 into 6 will be 18. This will become 0, 0 and this is also 0. Okay. We have to add all these. 360 plus 18. With this always you must add 1. Okay. With the sum of these numbers always you must add 1. So this will be 379. Okay. So this is your short method. So I am going to do for the next word danger also with the short method. Danger, D-A-N-G-E-R. Now write the alphabetical order. A A is 1, D is 2, E is 3, then G is 4, N is 5, R is 6. Okay. Now 2 to the right. There is only one number less than 2. This will be 0. Now 5. 4 and 3 are less than 5, so 2. 4. 3 is less than 4, 1. To the right of 3, no number is less. There is no number, 0. Here also it is a 6-digit number. So 5 factorial, 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial, 0 factorial. Must multiply. 5 factorial is 120. This is 0. 3 factorial is 6. 6 into 2 is 12. 2 factorial is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. This is 0 and this is 0. So 120, the rank of the word. 120 plus 12 plus 2, you have to add 1. So 5, 3, 1. So the rank of the word is 135. Okay, in the dictionary, the rank of the word will be 135. For danger, for garden, it is 317.